you ever felt like your car is acting strange? Maybe it makes weird noises, hesitates when you hit the gas, or the check engine light flickers on and off. Well, that's your car trying to warn you before it completely breaks down. In this video, we explore 5 weird things your car does when it's dying, helping you to understand what they mean and take preventative action. Trust me, you don't want to ignore these signs. Let's dive in. 1. Strange noises. Your car is like a musician, and when it hits the wrong notes, you'll hear it. Knocking sounds from the engine could mean a failing rod bearing, a serious issue that's like your engine's heartbeat skipping. A squealing noise could mean your serpentine belt is worn out, and if that snaps, you're in big trouble. Like no power steering, no alternator, no AC kind of trouble. A deep, rhythmic knocking sound? That could be your engine's last cry for help. If you hear rattling or banging from underneath the car, it could mean loose parts like a failing exhaust or suspension issue. These noises are your car's cry for help. Turn down the music and listen. Acting quickly can prevent small problems from becoming big expenses. So far, if you find this video helpful, subscribe the channel for more valuable automotive tips and tricks. Let's move forward. 2. Frequent overheating. If your car's temperature gauge keeps climbing, it's waving a big red flag. Overheating could mean your coolant system isn't doing its job. Think a leaky radiator, bad thermostat, or even a water pump issue. Ignoring overheating can lead to a blown head gasket, which is not only expensive to fix but can leave you stranded. Worse yet, persistent overheating can destroy the engine entirely. If you see steam rising from under the hood, it's time to pull over, let your car cool down, and get it checked before you melt your engine's savings. 3. Excessive smoke. Your exhaust pipe tells a story, and different colors of smoke mean different problems. First up, we have white smoke. Now, a little bit of thin white smoke when you start your car on a cold morning is normal. It's just condensation burning off. But if it's thick and doesn't go away, that's a red flag. It could mean a coolant leak, which might be caused by a blown head gasket, a cracked engine block, or a failing cylinder head. And trust me, ignoring this can lead to major engine damage. Next, let's talk about blue smoke. This one's a sign that your engine is burning oil. That could be due to worn piston rings, valve seals, or even a turbocharger issue in some vehicles. If you're losing oil too fast and seeing blue smoke, don't ignore it. Checking your oil level regularly can help prevent expensive repairs down the road. Now, if your car is blowing black smoke, you might be dealing with a fuel mixture problem. Black smoke suggests your engine is burning too much fuel due to clogged air filters or faulty fuel injectors. If you notice black smoke, check your fuel system and air intake components. If your car looks like it's auditioning for a fog machine, don't ignore it. Your wallet will thank you later. 4. Leaking fluids. Your car is a machine that depends on fluids, and every drop counts. Ever notice mysterious puddles under your car? That's a sign of trouble. Dark brown or black spots indicate oil leaks, which can lead to engine damage if left unchecked. Bright green or orange fluid points to a coolant leak, putting your car at risk of overheating. And red spots mean your transmission fluid is leaking, which may lead to poor gear shifting. A small leak can quickly grow into a big mess, so if your driveway is looking like an art project, it's time to see a mechanic. 5. The phantom check engine light. Imagine this. You're cruising along, feeling good, and then, bam, your check engine light randomly turns on. You panic a little, but a few moments later it goes off like nothing happened. Weird, right? This on again, off again warning could mean a failing sensor, loose wiring, or even something more serious, like a misfiring engine. Many drivers ignore it, thinking it's just a glitch. But that's a big mistake. Your car's computer is begging you to listen. Ignoring this could lead to worse problems, like decreased fuel efficiency, stalling, or even complete engine failure. And trust me, you don't want that. So, next time your check engine light plays peekaboo, get it scanned as soon as possible. An OBD2 scanner can tell you what's wrong in minutes and might just save your car from an early grave. So there you have it. 5 weird things your car does before it dies. If your car is showing any of these signs, don't ignore them. Fix them before you get stranded. Which of these have you experienced? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.